Hi, this is Mayor. I'm gonna do my recap. Today is Tuesday, September 24. So I only traded one ticker today, and that ticker was Netflix. So I did 3 trades on Netflix. This is positions is nothing. This is options trades, swing trades, just showing up over here. That's not today. So basically, Netflix, in the big picture on the daily, has been really hot last year. Everyone knows 420, came down, here it went up to 380. Ever since that bad earnings report like a few months ago, just been selling and selling and selling. So especially here, this was this long consolidation. It was kind of like descending, making lower highs, and everything was sloping down. So here in the last few days specifically, it was really selling down since Thursday, Friday last week. So I was extremely short biased, knowing that I have a level down here, 250, 255. I had a level down here, 257. So I knew this really has potential to go short. And in addition to that, it was really selling off in the pre-market, and I had decent volume. I had like almost 100,000 by the time the market opened. So this made my watch. And I knew this has good potential. Here it was selling off like from 264 down to 262. So this was my main watch. So right out of the gate, my mistake. I had FOMO. I saw this big sell-off, these big candles. At that time was big at least, and I thought that it's going to continue right away. So I got short right away. My mistake. And then it just squeezed against me. I got in here at 262.79. Let's call it. I'm not sure. Yeah, 77. I got squeezed to 263.70. It just made a big squeeze. I'm like, I don't want to be in this. Here it kept squeezing past VWAP. It came back down. I said, all right, now let's try this again. Maybe now it's ready. So I was shorted here again, and this time I wasn't going to give it too much room because I saw that it opened so strong. So I did not have much conviction. So I stopped out immediately as it was squeezing against me. Like, I don't know what it was, 20 cents maybe. Something like that with the spread and everything. So then I kind of took a step back. I'm like, okay, let's just watch. So I'm watching. I don't want to take another entry and get stopped out. I have a rule of I take 3 trades. So basically, I didn't even want to trade this anymore so much. I was looking around. I didn't see any other setups. Roku was very choppy. OSTK I was watching. I don't like the way it trades. What else? So I didn't really find anything else. I was looking, kept watching, and I saw here it broke up at 264 and it couldn't hold. So at some point thought to myself, okay, 263. I came here at VWAP, 263.7. I'm giving myself a tight stop to the whole dollar, 264. If it works, good. If it doesn't, then that's it. We're gonna call it a day. I went slightly heavier, like 25% heavier than I went in the first 2 trades. Maybe that wasn't so smart. It was a little bit revenge, but that's what I did. And then here it came up. I was almost getting stopped out. I was like, all right, I almost got stopped out, but thankfully it came down and started dropping. Now here, when it went towards the whole dollar of 262, I covered. Then again, when it cracked the whole dollar at 75, I covered some more. Here towards this level at 262, I was cover, $0.50, whole dollar, cover. And as you see, I covered a little bit too quick. I was very pretty defensive because of my first 2 losses. I did not have that much confidence. I really should have let it run. Netflix really has great potential. It could be a big mover, and $1, $2, not $2, $2, $3. $3 I was collecting is not that big of a move for Netflix. It could have gone even further, and as you see, it really did go down further, and I didn't have any shares really left here. As you see, it came down all the way to 258.30, and now it's even challenging that. So that was my day. I was slightly green. At least it's 2-1 because I did have 2 losers and 1 winner. So that means that I made back on 1 trade. Would have lost in 2 trades and a little bit more, even more. So I'm thankful for that. So yeah, so at least the 3rd trade worked out, and want to practice a little bit more patience on letting it, kind of, maybe this was a rising devil, being more patient with my entry and even more with my exit as well. So try to do that even better. Thank you everyone for watching, and have a wonderful day.